Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to episode 3 of Fix Garage. I'm glad we made it this far. This series is helping me keep myself accountable and on track to bringing this motorcycle back to life just in time for riding season. Join me as I struggle to do the infamous VFR maintenance item, the stator and regulator rectifier replacement. If you have a VFR up to the Gen 6, you may want to tag along and watch me struggle through the process. This is my second time being in this position. The first happened about 2 years ago when I was coming home from work on a very sunny summer day. I noticed my voltage dropping significantly and having problems starting my bike. However, I do owe a big thank you to my red machine, to dying just seconds before I entered the garage. The VFR took me all around New York that day and finally died on its last ride home. Until I fixed the issue, of course. The main problem with Hondas back in the day was poor electrical management. The engines were amazing, the wiring and components, not so much. The RR would take out the stator, and the stator, in return, would take out the battery. The holy trinity, the triple threat of electrical gremlins. When this first happened, I ordered a cheap stator from China, and it has been running pretty alright since. However, I really wanted an OEM unit in there. I finally got my hands on one from eBay, and that is what we are installing today, along with a beefed up version of the RR, the SH847. Yeah, come on. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, let's not mess with that. Good part. Okay, that, I took my glove off, but that right there is the bolt in question. That was stripped. Sorry, no, that was broken in half as I was trying to take it out. So now I can just, oh yes. It's coming, oh my God. Sorry, I can't finish my sentence. Yes, yes, yes. There it is, boys and girls. Wow. Wow, thank you, God. Ah, yes, and this is me drilling the bolt that is holding the stator down. Because guess who stripped it? I did. There it is. Okay, there's anything. Here I am finally putting the OEM stator back in its place. And guys, please don't forget to scrape off the old gasket before putting on a new one, because double gasket is double trouble, and we don't need any of that. Look at my lovely stator going back in with just 3 bolts because I stripped one. Doing this will take you a few tries because there's a very strong magnet inside and everything has to line up perfectly. Please take your time. Boom, bam, boom, bam. Hope you like my special effects on that one. And here is the R&R cover that comes with the R&R itself. You need it because it's such a massive piece. You will also need a crimper and a lighter and a cutter, so hope you're good with wires because you're going to connect these 3 yellow wires from the R&R to these 3 yellow wires from the stator. Easy peasy, let's get it done. After this, make sure you check your voltage on a voltmeter, try on your bike to make sure it runs fine, and subscribe because I'm going to see you in the next episode.